Hello, my friend. I pray that this finds you well from wherever and whenever you're tuning in. In my hands today is a didgeridoo, an instrument that is native to the native peoples of Australia. And today I am using it symbolically to didgeridoo the day. It's kind of reminding me of the shofar or ram's horn that was used by the people of Israel in scripture in many ways. Some of those ways included the announcement of a holy or important day, such as New Year's Day, signifying the beginning of a new year, or even announcing the year of Jubilee, which was incredibly significant in Israel's history. The shofar was also used in battle as an announcement of victory. And the shofar was also used in the coronation or announcement of a new king. And I used the didgeridoo today in those three capacities, if you will, to welcome this amazing day that the Lord has given us. Number two, to declare victory in this day. And number three, if you will, to announce Jesus as Lord over my day. I've come to find that a lot of us approach our days with very little, if any, expectation. That's why you'll roll into work and ask somebody, how are you? And they'll be like, I'm here. Or just another day in paradise, usually said sarcastically, or another day, another dollar. But a powerful shift happens when you realize that every day is God's gift to you. No wonder we call today the present. Scripture says in Psalms 118 and verses 24 that this, not yesterday, not tomorrow when you'll be on vacation, this is the day that the Lord has made. I will rejoice and be glad in it. Some versions say, I will be exceedingly glad. Why should I be exceedingly glad in this day? Because God doesn't make junk. God makes amazing things. And in this day today and in every moment therein is an opportunity for me and for you to experience God's goodness, God's greatness, God's godness, or God's divinity. Only if we look for it. But how can we experience it if we don't expect it in the first place? Just as important a shift happens, at least it did for me, when I realized that yes, God has made this day, but within this day He has made space. He has made provision and made provisions for me to make or co-create the day with Him. I mean, He has created you and I in His image, no? With the capacity to create, to connect, and to make our contribution. And when you realize that, you stop approaching the day as a victim, waiting to see what will happen to you. You approach the day as a powerful creator of your day. You happen on the day. You stop approaching the day like a thermometer. You know, a thermometer just reads the temperature of its environment and then it gives a reading. You start showing up like a thermostat. A thermostat does not just report the temperature like a thermometer. It actually sets, it dictates what the temperature will be in a space, and then it enforces that which it has intended. Should the temperature vary, if it's in the summer, it kicks in the AC to cool the room to the desired temperature. If it's in the winter, it kicks in the furnace to warm up the room to the predetermined temperature. So my friend, you and I have a choice today of what it is that we will expect out of today. Not just that, we have a choice in terms of what we will express into the day. I hope that you're going to not only expect amazing things, but set intention like a thermostat for what it is that you want to see in the day, and together with God, partner not just to have, but also to make it a great day. Or in the words of Evans Kamuru, Didgeridoo the day. And I played 3 blasts at the beginning, and I'm going to do another 3 again to welcome today, to speak victory into today, and to set Christ as Lord, as King over today.